Hello, welcome to Kess Cravings Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my English scones. I love pastries, and as you know, I'm a pastry chef, so on this channel we will be baking and cooking. So let's get to it. Alright, so we're gonna make the English scones, and as you know, I recommend you read your recipe. Make sure you have all your ingredients and everything measured. So as you can see, I have everything measured, and I have my baking sheet and everything in one place. So we're gonna start with the 2 cups of pastry flour. And I like to grate my butter. You can make this in a food processor, or you can use a dough presser, or you can use your hand. And this butter, it's really cold because I just took it out from the fridge. I like to see a little bit chunks of butter in my scones. And I have my 2½ teaspoons of baking powder. Add it to it. I have my sugar, and my sugar is it's not bleached, so it's pure cane sugar. I have here a pinch of nutmeg and salt. At this point, just mix it together to distribute it. And then you add your batter. I feel like a breadcrumb, but do not overmix this. You want your biscuit to be really soft and flaky at the same time. Vanilla extract if you want. I'm gonna add a little bit to it. Kind of just eyeball it, just a little bit. You don't have to. You can add coconut extract or whatever, and you just mix it. You can use your hand. You can use a fork. But I like to use this. Just do not overmix this baby. I wash my hands. You can actually just use your hand, because you don't want to overmix it, but you can also use that to kind of make sure it's level. Yeah, treat it like a little baby. And I like this size, so you can cut it with a knife, or you can pull it apart. It's your food. You do whatever, but I like this. It's a perfect size. You don't want to turn. You can dip the cutter in a little bit of flour. You can do that. And you don't want to twist. So while you're waiting for your oven to preheat, I'm making a fruit sauce to go with my English scones. And I usually buy organic fruits. And so after 2 to 3 days, it starts molding, and I just wash them and put it in the freezer. So I took this out a couple of hours ago. You see the syrup? It's not even cut. But you see? And I just add, you can add honey or sugar or whatever sweetener. I'm doing like 2 tablespoons to your taste. And I love tangerine, so you squeeze. You can do lime, lemon, or about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons. Hey, it's your food, whatever you want. For 12 to 15 minutes until the top is brown. And while that is baking,